what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're going to be making these delicious roasted potatoes, air fryer roasted potatoes, using our air fryer lid in the Instant Pot. If you have the dual crisp, you can also use this recipe as well. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more Instant Pot air fryer lid recipes coming your way on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. If you're interested in any of the items that I used today, make sure you check the description box below. I will have the links down below. And let's go ahead and dive right into making this delicious roasted potatoes. Alright, so what we're going to need today are 1.5 pounds of potatoes, which was about 5 medium-sized potatoes, and I weighed it on a scale, so it's about 1.5 pounds. And what I did was I soaked it. This is an optional step, for about 10 to 15 minutes. And you want them about a quarter size, and you just chop them up, stick them in the cold water and let them rest. Then you're also going to need, this is 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano. This is dried oregano. You'll also need 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then along with that, you'll need an oil spray, or about 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil, just enough to coat all of the potatoes. I'm going to go ahead and drain the water from the potatoes and dry them, and then I can add the oil. So I'm going to drain them and then we'll be back. Okay, so I have dried the potatoes. I went ahead and drained them and dried them with a clean cloth. And now we can go ahead and prep our potatoes. Alright, so I'm just going to spray. I'm using my Evil oil sprayer. I'll have the link in the description box below. But you guys, I love it because it's super easy to spray. And I have avocado oil. I'm using avocado oil. You can use grapeseed oil, but I like the avocado oil now. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and sprinkle the salt everywhere. And then we're going to rub it into the potatoes. Our oregano and our garlic powder, and this is where I just rub it onto the potatoes. You want to add the seasoning before, because the oil is going to allow the seasoning to stick to the potato. If you add it at the end, you might find that it's hard for the seasoning to stick. And if you're wondering why I soaked the potatoes, I soaked the potatoes just so that it comes out with a crispier finish. I know it's a bit controversial. Some people say it doesn't make a difference. I've noticed a difference, so that's why I'm doing it. But like I mentioned, it is an optional step, so you don't necessarily have to soak the potatoes. I just think it helps. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get our air fryer lid, and we'll be back. Alright, so we're going to be using our air fryer basket. I do want to remind you, we're going to want to spray the inside of the basket just so that the potatoes do not stick. We are not pressure cooking first, just because I actually found that pressure cooking did not have the best results, or it took a similar amount of time. So I either ended up with mush, or I ended up with a similar time frame. So I think it's just easier and less steps if we just use it straight in the air fryer basket. So let's go ahead and get started. We are going to pour our potatoes into the basket, and then we can preheat our air fryer lid. So we're going to preheat it. Add the lid. Okay, let's lift the view here. We're doing air fry 400 degrees for 37 minutes. Oh. And then we're going to hit start. It will preheat. Takes about a minute to preheat, and then the system will automatically start. So it'll beep and then it'll start. So we're not preheating for 40 minutes. It's just starting. It's preheating right now, but it takes about a minute to preheat, or 2 minutes, a minute and a half, depending on the temperature that you set, and then it'll start automatically. So in this case, it's fine. So we'll be back at about 19 minutes in, and we can check on the potatoes. Okay, so we're 19 minutes in. We're gonna go ahead and take the lid off. All right, and let's see if I can show you guys. So it's starting to crisp up. So what we want to do is mix them up so that we can get them crisp all around. So I'm just using my silicone tongs to twist them. All right. We're gonna put our lid back on. Oh, my cable. There we go. We'll allow the remaining 19 minutes to finish and then we'll be good to go. We'll be back. Alright, so we're coming up at the end. It's counting down. There's about 15 seconds, so I'm just going to cancel twice. And you won't have to hear the beeping because it has a tendency to beep a lot. Let's go ahead and I'll give you guys a sneak peek. I'm going to bring the potatoes out so that we could take a closer look. You guys, it smells delicious in here. Let's take a closer look. I'll be back. Alright, and there we have it. We have our, you can hear them crunching against each other, but oh, they're hot. They're hot. Soft on the inside and crunchy on the outside. Delicious. You guys, I did remove the basket with the these silicone pot holders. They're amazing for that, and you can also bring the basket out to shake if you wanted to with these gloves. They're deep, they cover the knuckles, or they go right up to the knuckles, so they're not like little pincher ones that go up to the first knuckle. They go to the furthest, so it's a lot better and easier to hold, and I feel safer. So if you're interested in that, I'll have the link in the description box below. But you guys, that is how you would make these delicious roasted potatoes in the Instant Pot using our air fryer lid. You guys, this thing is amazing. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more Instant Pot air fryer lid recipes coming your way on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. But until next time, you guys have a great day.